Got the trunk pull-down motor put back together. The magnet had come loose from being epoxied to the side of the case, and the motor was stuck and corroding on the inside. Took that off, cleaned it up, re-epoxied the magnet. It seemed to have play, spinning freely, which was fine. Re-hooked up the red cable. I just dropped the battery back in. I heard a humming from back here. Not sure if it was good, but last time I had this hooked up, this motor was super hot and draining the battery. That's why my battery was going dead every 5 minutes. So, battery's put back in. Motor looks like it's at the top all the way. Let's make sure the release works before I close the trunk. So I don't want to have the hatch not open. Let's see if that... Oh. It kind of worked. Let's see if it pops open. It's a beautiful thing. Alright guys, it works, and I'll show you how it works. There is a switch here for touching the striker to tell the car that you want to close the trunk. There is a switch here that little lever makes contact with to tell it to stop. Motor, which was screwed up, and then the case that normally cracks. So alright. Oh, come on now. There we go. I've been trying to get that end a little more flush than that end. That's how it goes.